Oh, hello. Right, woken up this morning and the sky is black and there's a storm coming. It doesn't look like a big one, but it looks like it's going to rain for a while. It's been a bit of thunder as well. We was going to go on a boat ride today, down the canals and that, but we'll see. It all depends on the weather. Not looking too good. Check out my new shirt that I got yesterday. Seahorses this time. Well, it looks like it's raining. Damn it. It's not raining too much. It's just drizzling now. So we're just going to walk around the corner, go to a coffee shop that we love. We haven't been to this one. It's a chain, so we've been to others. It's Amazon Coffee. It's absolutely lovely.
But it's not from Amazon, the shopping online.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not obviously online shopping. Obviously not, babe. So yeah, it's just round the corner, which is good. Next to a 7-Eleven. There's a 7-Eleven every, I don't know, it's ridiculous. Every 500 meters in Bangkok there's a 7-Eleven. It's just stupid. Right, we're in a market in Chinatown. It's pretty cool, to be honest. There's loads of stuff. Absolutely loads of stuff. We've been walking what seems like forever now, and this place just goes on and on and on. I mean, it just keeps on going. It's never ending. Can't beat a nice latte. Spoon's up in the way. Nothing better than that. We're out at the Chinese market now, and hopefully going to go jump on a boaty boat, if we can find one anyway. Headed to the pier, but just too expensive for a private tour along the river and the channels and that. So I just paid 16 baht, but I don't know where I'm going or what boat I'm getting on. We haven't got a clue. So yeah, we'll just wait in here and chilling by the river until this boat turns up, and then yeah, we'll see where we end up.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
ไม่มีตัวหายซื้อใหม่นะ
We're off the boat and we've actually found a nice little quiet market. There's a slow jazz playing in the background and it's nice and quiet because I'm getting fed up with all the noise from this city. I've got a banging headache, but can have a pad thai here and chill for a bit. Cáp. That we're back at the hotel. I haven't been very well. I don't know what happened. I only had 3 mojitos at that rooftop bar and some nachos, which Elena had as well, so I don't think it was the nachos. I just think it was bad alcohol. It didn't sit well or something. I don't know. We've been out all day walking. I don't know. I had a headache earlier, so I haven't been feeling that well all day. But yeah, I've been puking my guts up, but I'm feeling much better now. Had a shower and we're just going to chill for a bit and sleep because it's our last night in Thailand. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.